is Reddy and you're watching Motor Review. Today you're going to see the global NCAP rating for the cars below 5 lakhs. Thank you for seeing the video. According to us, you can go with Kwid as it has scored 2-star rating when compared to other cars in this segment. But if we can improve our budget from 5 lakhs to 5 lakh 30 to 5 lakh 40,000, you can go with the Tiago as it has scored 4-star and it is an Indian brand and we promote safer cars for India. Thank you.